as you say that we are different from other institutions, are we different from other institutions in terms of approval, accreditations or rankings?
Yes, very much. Now we have all the three accreditations like AICTE, NBA, National Board of Accreditation, AIU, Association of Indian Universities. So ISME's PGDM program is equivalent to MBA. Students can go for PhD, government jobs, higher studies. So that is difference. Rankings. Now we have been ranked as the top 5 B schools of Bangalore.
Okay.
We are also the 7th top B school in South by Times of India ranking, School for Commerce. Then we also have a ranking of to be the best college for return on investment because our fees is very less. It is only 10.95 lakhs.
As we have seen many colleges in Bangalore itself, why this ISME PGDM is something unique than the other?
See, there are a lot of factors which will make ISME different from the other colleges. One is the faculty, which I just covered. 1 is to 12, and every Friday we have a mentorship
1 is to
program.
12 means student faculty ratio.
So number of students in ISME PGDM program are only 240.
So this year also we do have only 240 seats, nothing else.
No, we
are not increasing.
We are not increasing.
We are welcoming you for a new episode of College Review. Today we are with Pallavi ma'am. Pallavi ma'am, Director Admission and International Relations, Alumni of Wharton Business School, USA. Ma'am, very good afternoon to you. We do have some questions regarding ISME. Ma'am, how is this ISME different from other B schools?
ISME is very different from other B schools because our vision is very different.
Okay.
So our mission is to create successful professionals. How we want to do it? Who is a successful professional? A student who has global knowledge, a student who is dependable. He should be dependable for everything. Dependable means hardworking, has a lot of discipline. And third aspect is that he should be able to give grounded analytical solutions.
Okay.
He should know that if there is a problem, the solution should be based on some elements. It is not that he can just give a solution that let us do this, let us do that. It should be based on analytics. So that is where ISME is very different in our mission and vision. Now in terms of quality, we are a part of NVT Quality Group, who itself certifies companies for ISO 9000. So right from the infrastructure, having a hostel on campus, having AstroTurf grass courts for our students to play, everything is available for students within the campus.
Okay.
So
as you say that we are different from other institutions, are we different from other institutions in terms of approval, accreditations or rankings?
yes, very much. Now we have all the three accreditations like AICTE, NBA, National Board of Accreditation, AIU, Association of Indian Universities. So ISME's PGDM program is equivalent to MBA. Students can go for PhD, government jobs, higher studies. So that is different. Rankings. Now we have been ranked as the top 5 B schools of Bangalore.
Okay.
Not by any agency, it is by Authentic India Today, Business Today. We are in the top 30 B schools of the country by Times of India ranking.
Okay.
We have also been ranked high by Competition Success Review ranking. We are 4th. We are also the 7th top B school in South by Times of India ranking, School for Commerce. Then we also have a ranking of to be the best college for return on investment because our fees is very less. It is only 10.95 lakhs. In that, we also have a full scholarship paid full IB program, International Business Program to Singapore, where the students do not have to pay. Then we have a student exchange to THWS Germany. And the packages are very high, so we have the best return on investment.
How is the faculty here in ISME? Do we have the corporate faculty? Do we have the faculty who have lots of experience in teaching? So please tell me something about the faculty background also.
So Sanjay, that is another big differentiating factor. Whichever faculty we have in ISME, they all have top educational qualification. So they have either gone to IITs, IIMs, ISBs or Carnegie Mellon, Purdue, Wharton or the top colleges of India or the world. Second is that they have a corporate experience. Each faculty should have been working in corporate companies before teaching at ISME, because after all they are teaching management students.
100%.
They have to share their experiences. They have to know what is the demand of the industry. So each and every faculty has these two things things. They have international background, they have corporate experience. The third thing is that ISME from the very beginning has a lot of permanent faculty, because a permanent faculty is spending time from 8:30 to 5 o'clock on the campus with the students. They have a different kind of a connect with the students. So we have visiting faculty also, but we have a lot of permanent faculty. The faculty to student ratio is 1:12. So that helps our students to have that bonding.
Do we have the international faculty also in our
Yes,
campus?
we have international faculty also. Many of our faculties have an international background, so they have studied or worked abroad. They teach. Plus, for some courses, we also have visiting faculty, and they are teaching from abroad.
Okay, ma'am, as we have seen many colleges in Bangalore itself, why this ISME PGDM is something unique than the other?
See, there are a lot of factors which will make ISME different from the other colleges. One is the faculty, which I just covered, 1:12, and every Friday we have a mentorship
1:12
program.
means student faculty ratio.
So, number of students in ISME PGDM program are only 240. Now, we are able to place almost 99% of the students, except a few students who want to go back to their parents' business and opt out of placement. Now, if there are colleges who have 600, 700 candidates for PGDM and MBA, how will they be able to place such a big number of students? They might be able to place 300, 400 at the max. So that is a big difference. Despite of having a big infrastructure, we have never exceeded the seats to 240. So that is one difference. Hostel on campus is a 12-hour learning
So
process.
this year also we do have only 240 seats, nothing else.
No,
We are not increasing.
We are not increasing, so that the students are not having a uncomfortable competition between them.
Okay.
They are able to get placed, and our faculty to student ratio is maintained. And hostel plays a lot of importance. They have fun while learning. After 4 o'clock, from 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the night, they participate in a lot of activities. They have astroturf fields to play. They practice for various things. They don't have to bother about their laundry, food and everything. You've eaten in the mess, and did you like the food?
No, I like very much. Means I enjoyed it all.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell me something about the specializations also.
Okay, so we have the major specializations like marketing, finance, HR, business analytics, US CPA, and then we have minor specializations. So we have 4 minor and 5 major. So students can have 20 combinations. They pick one from major and one from minor.
Okay. And what about the placements highlight?
So our students, they do a very unique thing. The entire class goes for 2 months of internship in May and June, and around 35% to 40% of all the class gets selected for a second internship. This internship is called ITP, Industry Trajectory Program, where they start their internship from September and it goes till December. And many of the students, almost everybody who is in ITP gets a PPO, pre-placement offer. So 35% of the class gets placed 8 months before, 6 to 8 months before they graduate. Yeah, and otherwise we have 190 plus companies which come for placement.
And what was the last highest package?
Highest package was 14.75 lakhs.
It's a domestic placements.
Yes, in Federal Bank.
Do we have some international placements also?
Not right now, because we want that the students should get a good job profile. We have all the big 5 consulting firms like PwC, KPMG, Grant Thornton, Deloitte, Accenture, all coming and picking up our students along with Infosys, Asian Paints, etc. So we ensure that the student gets placed in the top multinational companies.
Few average students always ask me about the average placement of the institute. So what is the average placement?
Average placement is around 8 plus lakhs.
8 plus means those students who are on average in their studies can get easily 8.5 lakh rupees per annum.
Right. So there are various ranges. Many of the students get between 7 to 8, some get between 8 to 10, and 10 plus.
I have seen most of the colleges are calling marketing companies on a higher side.
Yes.
Or we can say marketing means for me marketing means branding, promotion, research, advertising. But companies are coming generally for the sales background only.
See, sales everybody has to do, right? You are also in sales.
100%.
I am also in
100%.
sales. Now students have to understand that when they are joining companies, they in the beginning as a fresher, they cannot be somebody who's doing a strategic planning of the company. That has to be done after getting a experience. When I got placed by my MBA college Symbiosis, I was also into marketing functions, but I was also doing sales. Though the function is marketing, but sometimes you have to have a job profile where you might have to do sales. So what our placement committee does is they research about the job profile, that once a student joins, what are the prospects for the students to rise in that job. And slowly and steadily our students do very well, and they from different marketing aspects they become strategists and they start taking more initiative in the company.
There are few girls, especially girls students, wants to go for the HR profiles or the finance profiles also.
Yes.
उसका क्या scope है?
We have a lot of students who get into talent acquisition, into recruitment. There are a lot of students who get into London Stock Exchange and other financial companies. So we have a very good mix of marketing, finance, HR and business analytics companies. That is why we do a conclave for all these areas. We get 30 to 40 corporate people who are at a very senior position in top companies. They come for these conclaves, have panel discussions, talk to our students, talk to our faculty and dean, and then slowly they start recruiting from our batches also.
मैम किसी भी कॉलेज का समझना है, किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में समझना है, तो उसके फ्यूचर गोल्स के बारे में हम लोग समझते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं. Where we see ISME after 5 years or maybe 6 years.
Okay. See, our goal is always to give the best education. We are tying up with lot of foreign universities, and not just any university. Again, we see the QS ranking of the university and we tie up, and our tie-ups are going on high. That is one aspect. We have a tie-up with MDIS and Singapore Institute of Management. So our Singapore students, the students who go to Singapore, the entire batch, instead of staying in hotels, they stay on the hostel of MDIS. They have quality workshops for international business certification. They go to companies like Hyundai, Volvo, etc. for their industry program in Singapore. So we are trying to lift up quality in everything. Regarding selection of students, now our rejection ratio has become higher. So slowly we are trying to have students who have better profiles, better academic profiles. And then in terms of placements also, right now the average is 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs. Slowly we will make sure that the average goes higher, quality of students are better. In terms of faculty, we are already 40 plus faculty members who are permanent faculty. We will also keep increasing the number of faculties. We have UG programs, we have more faculty for that. And in terms of accreditation, we have some foreign accreditations. We are members of EFMD, and we are trying to lift our ranking. Right now we are in the top 5 B schools of Bangalore. Slowly in all these, and we are 30th in Pan India by TOI ranking. Slowly as we go forward, our rankings will also improve.
एक मैसेज उन बच्चों के लिए ताकि वो जान सके why ISME is different from other B schools और उन्हें क्यों यहाँ पे एडमिशन लेना चाहिए.
Okay. See, students, I was also in your shoes a few years ago, not a few, many years ago, and I was also researching. That time things were not available on the net that much, and we made our decisions. Now, when you are comparing B schools, first of all, you see the website of the B school. See who are the people who have started this B school, who is the leadership team. Now, leadership team, how you will gauge is, please see their academics. Where have they come from? Which companies have they worked in? Which colleges have they passed out? Now, if you see ISME, you will see leadership team from IIT, IIM and the top colleges which we just discussed. So itself, when the leadership team has such background, even our chairman, Mr. KG Garg, is from IIT Roorkee, who is a very well-known quality guru and certifies companies for ISO 9000 in 36 countries. So when the leader is a visionary, they will definitely think for the best of the students. Second thing, you have to see permanent versus visiting faculty. If a college is run by more of visiting faculty and a handful of permanent faculty, you will not be able to have that connect with your teachers, because visiting faculty is just spending 1 hour 2 hour at your college. So see that. Then you see the placements. In ISME website you can see placement not only for 1 year but for the last 10-15 years. In detail, each and every student is put on the website where the student is working in which company. So check about that. Get in touch with your mentors, get in touch with the admissions team, and then also see that what international exposure you are getting in the college. So see, do they have any international programs, do they have any foreign exchange programs, how much is the fees, what is the return on investment which you are getting, how much you will pay and how much you will receive after getting placed. These are some of the things which you should thoroughly discuss with your family, with your mentors, and then choose where to apply. And always listen to your heart, have that passion to do well, be very disciplined, organized. Even at ISME, students are coming from 26-27 states of India. When I see them in the first month, the shy ones, they emerge as very confident students within a month or 2 months. That means we must be doing something good, that the students are happy and they are progressing.
As ma'am said rightly, you have to visit the campus also, you directly contact with the students also. You do have my number on the screen, number is shown on the screen, you can call me anytime or WhatsApp me anytime, so that you can get pass out students or the current students name and number and connect directly to those students and get to know the real feedback of this college, ISME. If you have any query regarding anything, you can visit the college website also. You can fill directly form also. Thank you ma'am, thanks a lot.